In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your inner fender liner on your Chevy HHR. It's located inside the wheel well. I'm going to remove these plastic lug nuts first using a 19mm. Now you can remove the hubcap. Now we're going to remove our wheel. Using a 19mm socket, we're going to take off the lug nuts. Remove your wheel. Using a 7mm socket, we're going to remove this bolt. This wetness is rust penetrant. I do recommend spraying it down if yours is rusty as well. Now we're going to remove these plastic grommets. Get a trim tool in there. These are really long, so just twist it a little bit back and forth. And pull it out. Now we're going to remove this grommet and this one. If these break off, you're just going to have to replace them. They're really not meant to be reused every time. And now we're going to move on to this one. You have one up here. Same thing, we use a trim tool. Pry it out. And now we're going to move down this way. Now we're going to take out the rest of our grommets. There's one in this bottom corner. One here. And now we're going to take out this bolt. Go back to your 7mm socket and take out these bolts. Looks like ours is broken. Now we're going to remove our fender liner. You're going to unhook it from the lip of the fender. Like that. And then pull it out. Let's put our fender liner in. I'm going to start by getting it underneath the lip in here and work our way down. This vehicle has been in an accident, so it's got a little bit of a, it's going to be a little harder to get it in, but once you get everything lined up, we're going to start putting in our plastic grommets and bolts. So we have our bolt started here. Let's tighten it in. And now we're going to put our push pins in all along. Let's start with this one. So line up your push pins and get it started, and then push it through. Do the same to this one. I use a punch to find the hole, make sure everything's lined up properly. I'm going to push it in to the plastic first and guide it in the hole. And line that one up, push it through. Let's put our grommet in here. And one up here as well. Let's put our bolt in here. And now let's start this one. Now we're going to put our push pins in. I'm going to start here. And put one in here. Put your wheel on. And start your lug nuts. Walk the wheel on with your bottom lug nut. And then in a star-like pattern, you're going to tighten them up. And now we can torque them. Let's torque our wheels to 100 foot-pounds using a 19mm socket. To do that, we're going to do it in a star-like manner. Here, 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 and here. Line up your valve stem. And everything else should line up with it. You're going to hand tighten these until they stop. Go a little bit more. You don't want to over tighten these. They are plastic.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.